In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two documents in Canva. Merging documents in Canva is quite simple and can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to consolidate your designs into one cohesive document. Whether you're working on a presentation, an ebook, or any multi-page project, having all your content in one place will streamline your workflow and save you loads of time. First, let's start by selecting the file from which you want to copy pages. Open up Canva in your internet browser and go to the project that contains the pages you'd like to merge into another document. Having both documents open will make the process much smoother, so keep that in mind before proceeding. Once you have opened the document, the next thing you want to do is change the view to grid format. In the top right of the screen, look for a grid icon. It typically resembles a square made up of smaller squares. Clicking this icon will give you a cleaner, more organized view of all the pages in your document. This view is essential for easily selecting multiple pages at once. Now it's time to select the pages. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the pages you want to include. This will allow you to select multiple pages without having to click each one individually, making it a real time saver. Keep in mind that you can always add or deselect pages by clicking them, as long as you continue to hold down the Shift key. With the desired pages selected, the next step is to copy them. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard if you're using a PC, or Command and C if you're using a Mac. You won't see anything immediately happen in Canva, but rest assured those pages are now copied and ready to be transferred to your other document. Next, switch over to the second Canva design where you want to merge the pages. Open that project up in the same or a new tab, whatever you're comfortable with. Having both designs open will allow you to move back and forth quickly if you need to make any adjustments. Now that you're in the project where you want the pages to go, paste them by hitting Ctrl and V on your keyboard or Command and V if you're a Mac user. The pages should appear in your new document, giving you the flexibility to move them around to your liking. And there you have it, you've successfully merged two documents into one cohesive project. Remember, you can always adjust the order of the pages once they're in the new document, so feel free to rearrange them as needed to best fit your project's needs. With this simple process, you can efficiently manage your Canva projects and create seamless multi-page designs with ease.